Hello and welcome to Home Assistant Tips by Larry. Before we get started, we are going to assume you already have a working instance of Home Assistant and you already have ESPHome installed and working and you know how to flash a microcontroller with ESPHome. Today, we are going to talk about time-of-flight sensors. The VL53LOX sensor is the sensor I use as my distance sensor of choice, along with the D1 Mini ESP32. Here we can see a wiring diagram showing how the sensor is connected to the microcontroller. There is a link in the video description for this diagram. Here's the parts list breakdown for this project. The links for the parts will be in the video description. Here's the sensor package that has the VL53LOX sensor inside it. As you can see, it has a hole in the lid and a mount on the back for mounting on the wall. As I open the lid, you can see the D1 Mini ESP32 in the bottom and the VL53LOX sensor in the lid held in place with 2mm screws and nuts. The sensor uses laser light that in turn reflects off of any object directly in front of the sensor. That is why you need a hole in the lid. The project box is very small. Now I'm going to switch to my Home Assistant screen and cover the sensor with my hand, and as you can see, the distance changes as I move my hand closer and then farther away from the sensor. This sensor is perfect to use in place of the LD2410C millimeter wave sensor, as you have to be directly in front of the sensor for it to pick you up. You can set it to trigger at a certain distance as well, making it perfect for these times when you want it to only trigger when close to, say, a counter or table. The code to get the sensors working in ESPHome will be linked in the video description. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel so we can continue to make these videos, and as always, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments section. See you next time.